Assalamu alaikum students. In this lecture, we will cover the remaining topics of chapter 4, Minerals and Natural Resources of the Muslim World. The minerals covered in this lecture are mentioned as follows. So, students, we will start our lecture with copper. Copper is the best conductor of electricity. It allows electricity to pass through it. Therefore, it is widely used in electrical industry. It is used for making wires. Since it heats up very quickly, it is useful for making cooking pots. Many countries use a mixture of copper and other metals for making coins. The mixture of copper and tin is called bronze. From Muslim world, Indonesia is the third largest producer of copper in the world. Come to the next mineral, lead. Lead is used for making motor cars batteries, buildings and bullets. It is also used for medical purpose such as in X-ray equipment. It blocks the dangerous rays to pass through it and is used for protect doctors and nurses. The Muslim world produces 6% of the world's supply of lead. Students, our next topic is zinc. Zinc is used to coat sheets of iron or steel, which are used as a cheap form of roofing. It is because zinc will not rust or damage when exposed to air and moisture. Other uses includes making torch batteries, medicine, etc. Kazakhstan ranks 9th in the world for producing zinc. The next mineral is nickel. It is also used to coat steel to stop it from rusting. Nickel is the shiny metal. You can see this on bicycle handlebars and the car bumpers. It is also used to make silver coins. Indonesia is the fourth largest producer of nickel in the world. Now, come to gold. We usually think of jewelry when we hear the word gold, but today it has a much more important place in industry. It is the best conductor of all metals. It will not rust, meaning it will not damage when exposed to moist air or water. It is used for making connections in computers, electronic equipment, and for making artificial teeth. Among top 10 producers, Indonesia is 7th and Uzbekistan is 9th in the world. The last topic of this chapter is silver. Silver is also resistant to tarnishing but not completely. It tarnishes a little when exposed to humid air. It is used for making jewelry, cutlery, decorative items, etc. It was used as the main chemical to record images on photographic films. Nowadays, digital cameras are used which do not require this. In the world ranking, Kazakhstan is on 9th rank among silver producers. Students, chapter number 4 is completed here. Do question and activities from page number 24. Thank you.